museum is more than a museum, and it depicts an era that we grew up in.
One thing that Rick wanted to show everyone is his love for it. We have our fabrication shop that builds these cars. We have youth engagement. We have so much going on than just walking in and looking at cars.
I hooked up with the co-founder, Rob Marchese, came here and we set up a restoration shop in this facility. We moved into it about 20 years ago, and it lent itself well for doing that. We built cars from scratch. We started very small and just kept running out of room for cars, and we had to expand, and eventually took over the whole facility.
His team is incredible. We have some amazing craftsmanship. We have incredible painters, Greg Morrell and Justin Bergstrom, both from the Coddington Group and Foos Group. As well as in our fab shop, we have a fabricator, Dan Mendez, and we have an assembly, and we have a maintenance that services our vehicles here in the museum. So we have a full team behind the scenes that a lot of the visitors don't get to see.
Youth engagement and getting to know more about cars, hands-on. I mean, the whole restoration thing will go on forever.
The foundation is building a 1941 electric Willys. We are working just to get the youth involved in the build, so it's a bridge between the old and the new.
And I'm sure it'll be plenty fast.